10 luxury SUVs with low maintenance costs. Luxury SUVs are undeniably expensive, and for good reason. They are crafted with high-quality materials, equipped with cutting-edge technology, and powered by robust engines. These features make luxury SUVs incredibly desirable, but they also contribute to some of the highest maintenance costs in the automotive world. However, not all luxury SUVs are created equal. Many models prioritize reliability and lower maintenance costs without sacrificing too much in terms of luxury or performance. Some brands achieve this by making strategic compromises, while others leverage parts and support from their mainstream counterparts. While luxury vehicles often come with hefty price tags, these 10 models break the mold by offering ownership experiences that are both budget-friendly and stress-free. 2025 Infiniti QX50. Average 10-year maintenance costs, $11,081. The QX50 is Infiniti's smallest SUV at the moment, competing in the highly competitive compact luxury SUV segment. While it excels in comfort, it falls short in performance compared to some segment leaders. Still, it is affordable to both buy and maintain. Reliability. The QX50 is more reliable than you'd expect, scoring a decent 81 out of 100 for quality and reliability on J.D. Power. Expected maintenance costs are also relatively low, with CarEdge estimating 10-year costs to be $3,071 lower than the average for luxury SUVs. Average yearly maintenance cost, $608. RepairPal. Maintenance cost during the first 10 years, $11,081. 0. Worst QX50 year to buy used, 2019. 2. 2025 Acura RDX. Average 10-year maintenance costs, $987. While the MDX offers excellent value in the luxury SUV segment, the RDX feels more like a dressed-up Honda. Unfortunately, competitors provide more value at a slightly higher price point. Although nothing in the RDX feels particularly low quality, other SUVs in the segment offer better overall packages for a similar price. Reliability. Despite its shortcomings, the RDX is decently reliable, scoring an 81 out of 100 for quality and reliability on J.D. Power. It is also relatively affordable to maintain compared to other luxury SUVs. Maintenance costs over 10 years are estimated to be $4,165 lower than the segment average. Average yearly maintenance cost, $497. RepairPal. Maintenance cost during the first 10 years, $9,987. Recalls, 0. Worst RDX year to buy used, 2015. 3. 2025 Lexus LX. Average 10-year maintenance cost, $8,512. The LX is the largest and most expensive SUV in the Lexus lineup. It's an absolute behemoth, featuring a cavernous interior and a 409 horsepower twin-turbocharged V6 engine. With a starting price approaching six figures, it's impressive that the LX finds its place on this list for low maintenance cost. Lexus's reputation for reliability has long been tied to its connection with Toyota. In recent years, however, the luxury brand appears to have surpassed its parent company in terms of dependability. While J.D. Power hasn't rated the LX, Consumer Reports gives it a 65 out of 100, making it the highest rated full-size SUV in its class. Average yearly maintenance cost, $832. RepairPal. Maintenance cost during the first 10 years, $8,512. Recalls, 0. Worst LX year to buy used, 2003. 4. 2024 Maserati Levante. Average 10-year maintenance costs, $9,876. The most surprising entry on this list is from Italian supercar manufacturer Maserati. Once renowned for its prestige, the brand's reputation has waned, partly due to borrowing heavily from the parts bins of more mainstream brands. However, the Levante's brilliant V6 and sonorous V8 engines may make up for these shortcomings. Maserati has also been making strides to improve its standing with some notable new hires. Reliability. While J.D. Power hasn't rated the Levante, Consumer Reports assigns it a disappointing 30 out of 100 for predicted reliability, making it one of the lowest rated vehicles in its segment. Average yearly maintenance cost, NA. RepairPal. Maintenance cost during the first 10 years, $9,876. Recalls, 0. Worst Levante year to buy used, 2017. 5. 2025 Lexus RX. Average 10-year maintenance cost, $7,587. Where many luxury compact SUVs manage to balance performance and luxury, the RX leans heavily into the latter. Its interior is incredibly plush, but its driving demeanor is notably laid back. This approach works well for those who prioritize a comfortable ride over sporty handling. Reliability. The RX is one of the most reliable compact SUVs, earning a score of 85 out of 100 for quality and reliability from J.D. Power. Its maintenance costs are among the lowest in its class, with CarEdge estimating 10-year costs to be $6,565 lower than the average for luxury SUVs. Average yearly maintenance cost, $550. RepairPal. Estimate maintenance cost during the first 10 years, $7,587. Recalls 0. Worst RX year to buy used, 2004. 6. 2025 Acura MDX. Average 10-year maintenance costs, $10,160. While it may not be the most luxurious option in its class, the MDX has plenty to offer. It delivers excellent performance, featuring strong engine options and impressive chassis tuning. It's also significantly more affordable than the top contenders in the mid-size luxury SUV segment. Reliability. As Honda's luxury division, Acura is known for reliability, and the MDX is no exception. It scores an 83 out of 100 for quality and reliability on J.D. Power. Maintenance costs are also relatively low, with CarEdge estimating the MDX's 10-year maintenance expenses to be $3,992 less than the average for its segment. Average yearly maintenance cost, $571. Est. Maintenance cost during the first 10 years, $10,160. Recalls, 0. Worst MDX year to buy used, 2016. 7. 2025 Cadillac XT5. Average 10-year maintenance costs, $9,657. The Cadillac XT5 has been on the market for 8 years without a redesign, making it feel outdated compared to newer options in the compact luxury SUV segment. Unfortunately, its pricing does little to offset its shortcomings in modernity and features. Reliability. Despite its aging design and poor market position, the XT5 excels in quality and reliability, earning an impressive 88 out of 100 from J.D. Power. It is also significantly more affordable to maintain than the average luxury SUV, with a low probability of repairs exceeding $500. Average yearly maintenance cost, $305. RepairPal. Est maintenance cost during the first 10 years, $9,657. Recalls. 1. Worst XT5 year to buy used, 2017. 8. 2025 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Average 10-year maintenance costs, $9,507. Another surprising entry from Italy, the Alfa Romeo Stelvio is an eye-catching compact SUV with stunning design inside and out. Its dynamic handling and thrilling driving experience, especially in the high-performance Quadrifoglio model, make it highly desirable in the segment. Reliability. While Alfa Romeo has a mixed reputation for reliability, the Stelvio manages to defy expectations with a solid score of 85 out of 100 for quality and reliability on J.D. Power. Long-term maintenance cost data for the Stelvio is limited, so CarEdge's estimate should be taken with caution. Average yearly maintenance cost. NREL. Est. Maintenance cost during the first 10 years, $9,507. CarEdge. Recalls. 1. Worst Stelvio year to buy used, 2018. 9. 2025 Lexus GX. Average 10-year maintenance cost, $7,856. Redesigned for the 2024 model year, the Lexus GX is in its second year on the market. For those seeking a rugged off-roading SUV paired with a luxurious cabin, the GX stands out as one of the best options. The new model is off to a strong start, living up to the legacy of its capable predecessors. Reliability. J.D. Power has yet to rate the redesigned GX for quality and reliability. However, its predecessor scored an impressive 89 out of 100 for quality and reliability, setting high expectations for the new model. CarEdge estimates the GX's 10-year maintenance costs to be $6,296 lower than the average luxury SUV. Average yearly maintenance cost, $770. RepairPal. Est. Maintenance cost during the first 10 years, $7,856. Recalls, 0. Worst GX year to buy used, 2004. 10. 2025 Lexus NX. Average 10-year maintenance costs, $7,474. The Lexus NX is one of the best value propositions in the Lexus lineup. As expected, sporty handling and agility take a back seat to a plush ride and a comfortable cabin. The NX excels in delivering a premium driving experience while maintaining relatively low ownership costs. Reliability. Although the NX has one of the lowest reliability scores among Lexus models, it is still considered great by J.D. Power, with a score of 80 out of 100 for quality and reliability. CarEdge estimates the NX's 10-year maintenance costs to be $6,678 lower than the average luxury SUV. Average yearly maintenance cost, $690. Estimated maintenance cost during the first 10 years, $7,474 Edge. Recalls 0. Worst NX year to buy used, 2019. Luxury SUVs don't always have to break the bank when it comes to maintenance. These 10 models prove that you can enjoy premium features, comfort, and reliability without worrying about exorbitant upkeep costs. Choose wisely, and you'll get the best of both worlds, luxury and affordability.